Alright guys, this is my homemade leak detector test. I'm kind of redoing it. I'm going to use it as we're going along. It might be a long video, might be a short video. But this is my sister's car. She's complaining it's got a vacuum leak in it. I think I know where it is. But as you can see, I've cut out a piece of wood to go inside the intake. And I've got a hole in there, okay? That hose here, you'll put it all together here pretty quick. I put this hose, I'll go ahead and do that now, actually. I put my hose into here, okay? Now, I take my pliers and I've got charcoal burning already, as you can see. A little hot, darn it. Come on, turd butt. But I put my charcoals in here. And we'll put one more. So we got 4 charcoals in there. And you can see the paper that I've got, that's kind of like a cardboard that I've got, you know, just tore up. That goes in there, and see that creates a smoke. Bet a lot of you are already putting it back together. So now, this creates, got a good smoke to it. Now I use a small air compressor. Sis, come here and hold this, will you? Just make sure you can see everything. All right, so I use a small air compressor to force the air up into the engine. This goes on top. That closes up. Turn the compressor on. Okay, as you can see, it's pushing it up to the engine, and you can see the smoke coming out. It's not perfect, but it beats going to a mechanic shop. This usually works, but you know, like anything else. Give me those 2 blue rags over there, sis. That's to keep the smoke over out of the area, and that forces the smoke into the engine, and we'll show you where you've got a vacuum leak. See, we think this here is leaking, but we're not 100% sure. And this is done, I've done this several times in the past, works every freaking time. Usually it don't smoke that much. Let's try something real quick.